Okay, welcome back everyone. Well, just going for a little walk down the canal flight out towards, I think it's road, it's like a big loop, and then back up to where the boat's moored at Devizes. And then what I'll do is I'll do a little boat tour of where we're at with redecorating and refurbishing. So yeah, you can look forward to that. So let's get on with this little walk. I think it's about five and a half miles. I won't film the whole 5.5 miles because that'd be very boring. So yeah, I do little glimpses of what little things of interest kind of thing, and then we'll go from there.
Sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Summer love, memory, watched in every shade of green, all the colors. Summer love. Day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. Another peach pie sunset view, sleeping in the afternoon. No place to be and nothing to prove. That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air-conditioned blues. Could use some too.
So here we are on Daniel Oakley. This has been painted in here. I can't remember what colour it was. It's like a cream and then like a green on the bottom bit, if you can just see it there. Got some pictures on the walls. There's a kitchen area. Now what's left to do in the kitchen? Worktops, so putting new worktops in and a new sink. Got a washing machine in there, that's all plumbed in, that's working. Problem with boats is storage. It's a nightmare. I made myself a little bookshelf thing there. Bathroom is the next big project, which will be this year, shortly. In a couple of weeks' time I'll be ripping all this out and putting a shower cubicle in, and yeah, redesigning it. We probably might move the sink. We'll have some storage in there as well, because that's the problem on boats, there's no storage. Bedroom needs decorating. I've got a place to hang all my clothes up there now and some drawers. Here's the engine room. So here's the heart of the boat. Got some, and this is the boatman's cabin. It has been decorated. There's a little bit that needs finishing off, like the bottom of those doors, and there's a cupboard that needs put in there. And as you can see, there's a little stove that needs a flue putting in for it. Yeah, oh, there's all my medals from when I've done triathlons and half marathons. So that's about it really, that's all I can show you. So yeah, so what's left to do? The bathroom and then this bedroom. And that's it. I'm probably going to rip the bed out. I'll turn you around. I'm probably going to rip the bed out and redesign it, because there's loads of storage underneath, but you can't actually get at it. The clarifier's under there as well, so we'll get that done. But yeah, so that's just a quick look inside the boat. Still lots of work to do, always stuff to do, but once I can get this done, I can then concentrate on the outside. I'm going to start practicing me sign writing and have a go at restoring. There were some swirly bits on the side of the boat that someone's painted over. You can still see them, so I'll follow that pattern, reintroduce them, and then just tidy the paintwork up. That's about it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I know we haven't been out on the canals recently, but I will be soon. Got some important guests coming in a week's time for the weekend. Very important guests, so I might do some filming on that. We're going to take the boat out and go up towards Honey Street, towards Pusey direction, and yeah, so we'll do that, and I'll try and get the boat out a bit more and do a bit more filming. Probably go down towards Bath direction, down that way, because it is harder. You got to go down the Cane Hill flight, so it's like you've got to have at least a week off to get back up. Or I could leave the boat down there and just travel to work from there and move the boat back up to the mooring when I'm free again, but we'll see. So yeah, thanks for watching. Obviously like and subscribe, it helps the channel. Thanks to everyone that has subscribed, comments. There's loads of videos. I've got loads of videos, loads of different stuff. I got loads of hobbies. I got loads of things I'm interested in, so I'll do videos on loads of stuff. But yeah, just pick what you want to watch and have a little chill and watch some videos. But yeah, so I'm going to go now. I'm going to go back to Peterborough, drop some stuff off, and I'll see you again on the cut soon. Tatty byes for now.